Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam, bro. How are you doing today?
I am doing great.
So, you're from Bangladesh. It's nice to meet you.
Yeah,
Where do you
Mr.
live in Bangladesh? Where do you live in Bangladesh?
In Barishal.
Burishal. Oh, that's cool.
Where are you from?
So, how was your day? I'm from Rajshahi.
Education City.
No, bro. Actually, it's called Education City, but actually, it's not, in my opinion.
Education is good, but unemployment is very high.
Yeah, yeah. But also, education is not that good here. Actually, we were living in Dhaka, so later we shifted to Rajshahi for better education. But after coming here, what we understood that education is not that good.
Okay. Not
However,
better
it's my
than,
personal opinion.
not better than Dhaka, but better than other division called Barishal, Mymensingh, Sylhet.
Exactly.
Yes.
So how was your day?
Yeah, my day is good.
And why are you improving your English?
For make a friend and make international friend. This is my reason, and I want to always laughing with people, and this is my interest. Interesting. I have
Uh,
no specific goal about this.
all right, understood.
Yeah.
So did you have dinner?
No. I am waiting for dinner because I am leaving alone. And
Okay.
yeah, basically I am live with my friend. They making food for our dinner.
All right, bro. So what do you study?
And basically, I completed my graduation. My major is political science, and I am job holder, and I want to admitted in masters.
So, where did you complete your graduation? In Burishal University, I think.
No. I am not. I am a student from National University.
All right, no problem.
Yeah.
So, so, uh, you know that I heard a lot about Burishal and this place. I read
Not only you,
also
not
many
only
things.
you, not only you. Oh,
Yes,
others division people very hard for my people.
yes.
It's very natural
Yeah.
in my country. We accept it.
Also, bro, actually, never mind.
Yeah.
I I talk even I understand Borishal accent. You know, Borishal has their own accent, Bengali accent. I
Modika Mika
understand that I
Awaj.
also can speak in Borishal accent.
Yes.
All right. So,
I think
bro,
you. I think
yes.
you faced some Borisali people.
Yes, of course, of course. There was a time I was living in hostel, so many of the students there were from Borishal, and we were making fun of them. However, just fun, but also they are good people, of course. Everybody is good, man. But here we are living in Rajshahi for a long time. But the weather of okay. However, first you say how was the weather like today in Borishal? Was it so cold or
Weather
warm? Yes, weather in Borishal,
cool, but not a deeper cool. Average.
average.
Yeah.
And here is terribly cold, man. Very cold here in
Rajshahi.
Rajshahi. Yes, very cold.
Are you a student?
Yes, I'm a student. Uh, okay, brother, tell me you completed your graduation in political science.
Yeah.
So, what kind of job would you like to get in future? I mean, what is the career of political science?
Basically, I have a no goal. I have a no hope. It's my honest opinion, cause
All right.
it's a very pressure for human being. I want to
Yes.
simple life. I want to relax life, and I want to always live with my family. And basically, I am a digital marketer, and not a digital marketer. I am a digital marketer trainer. Now I am working for a government project.
Okay.
Yeah, 48 district free freelancing course. This course name is
Okay.
for youth people, unemployed youth people. Yeah,
All right. That's really, really good. So you are from Bangladesh. I got a Bangladeshi person after a long time, and I really love
same,
that.
same, same.
And pray for me, brother. I wish you all the best.
Thank you, thank you.
And pray for me. Pray
Same
for
for
me
us.
too.
Yeah, same for you, brother. Same for you.
So it's nice to meet you. Thank you so much. We'll meet you again. Have a good time, bro.
Inshallah. Okay.
And we'll meet inshallah